Hello IG Garage family. Is your car running rough, losing power, or showing the P0065 error code? Ignoring this issue could lead to poor fuel economy, misfires, and sluggish acceleration. In this video, we'll cover what P0065 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because fixing this issue early can save you from costly repairs. What does P0065 mean? The P0065 code stands for Air-Assisted Injector Control Circuit. What does P0065 mean? The P0065 code stands for Air-Assisted Injector Control Circuit. This means the air assist injector system is malfunctioning, which affects the fuel-air mixture and can lead to poor combustion. The air assist injector system helps atomize fuel for better efficiency and lower emissions. When this system fails, your engine may experience rough idling and poor performance. Symptoms of P0065 include the check engine light turning on, reduced fuel efficiency, rough idling or misfires, loss of power during acceleration, and increased emissions. Alright, let's talk about the common causes of a P0065 code. First, we have a faulty air assist injector solenoid. This is the solenoid that controls airflow to the injectors and it may be defective. Second, wiring issues. These could be short circuits, broken wires, or even corrosion in the air assist control circuit. Third, vacuum leaks. Leaks in the vacuum lines can cause improper air injection. Fourth, a faulty ECU. The engine control unit might not be properly controlling the air assist injector system. And finally, clogged air injection ports. Carbon buildup can restrict airflow, affecting fuel atomization. So, where is the air assist injector control located for a P0065 code? Now, where exactly is the air assist injector control located for that P0065 code? Air assist injector solenoid location, typically mounted on or near the intake manifold. It connects to vacuum lines and electrical wiring leading to the fuel injectors. Wiring harness location, runs from the ECU to the air assist injector solenoid. Check for loose or corroded connectors. Vacuum line connections, located near the throttle body or intake manifold. Any cracks or leaks in these lines can trigger P0065. Tip: always refer to your vehicle's service manual for the exact location specific to your car model. Alright, let's dive into diagnosing and fixing the P0065 code. This code points to an issue with the air-assisted injector control. It's crucial to address this promptly to maintain your vehicle's performance. First, check the air assist injector solenoid. Use a multimeter to test the solenoid resistance. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any burnt, frayed, or loose connections. Repair any damaged wiring you find. Then test for vacuum leaks. Spray some soapy water around the vacuum lines while the engine is running. If you see bubbles, well, there's a leak that needs fixing. After that, clean the air injection ports. If they're clogged, use carb cleaner or a small brush to clear out the debris. Finally, reset the code and take the car for a test drive. After making the repairs, reset the P0065 code and drive to confirm that the fix worked. So, that's everything you need to know about P0065 air-assisted injector control circuit. If you're dealing with this issue, start by checking the solenoid, wiring, vacuum lines, and air injection ports. So, that's everything you need to know about P0065 air-assisted injector control circuit. If you're dealing with this issue, start by checking the solenoid, wiring, vacuum lines, and air injection ports. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0339 crankshaft position sensor circuit intermittent. 2. P0269 cylinder 3 contribution balance fault. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.